Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Perleen, and today in this video I have got ta-da! And it's going to be my first ever unboxing video and I'm quite excited about it. I'm excited anyways because I have ordered my very own camcorder. And you know what, मुझे बहुत टाइम से अपने लिए कैमरा लेना था because currently I'm using my iPhone और मुझे बार बार जाके चेक करना पड़ता था if I'm in frame or I'm in focus or even if it's recording or not. So it was kind of struggle. और जब मैं फ्रंट कैमरा यूज़ करके वीडियोस बना रही हूँ तो those videos are becoming blurry and fuzzy. So it was very frustrating, you know. And finally I decided to buy a new camera for me and enhance the video quality. So I got this from Amazon and there were a couple of different options available. Like if you just want to buy a camera or if you need a starter kit with a microphone and a SD card. Now I was very clear in my mind what I'm looking for and didn't waste much of time going through all those options. Also, honestly, I was not in favor of buying anything expensive at this point of time and wanted something which is for a more reasonable price and is just perfect for my small YouTube videos. So now let's go ahead and let's open this up. Okay, looks like we have a box inside a box. So we have got a user manual here. Let's keep it aside for a while. We have got our adapter and looks like this is a battery. I like that it has two batteries just so that, you know, when I'm filming and I can switch through them easily and I don't have to wait to charge the battery to continue filming a video again. Oh, it comes with a remote too. I like it. Oh goody, here's our camera. Look, it comes with a little camera bag. Glad to have that because now I don't have to spend extra bucks on buying the camera bag separately. Okay, attached is camera strap. to play with this new camera. Alright, so switching to our new camera in 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that. It feels like it already has improved drastically, isn't it? What do you think, guys? I highly suggest this camera if you are looking for a nice beginner's camera with a reasonable price. It's really worth it. If you have enjoyed this video and it helped you anyway, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.